Hello learners, it's me again, G2, and welcome back to G2's Nook. By the way learners, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming video. In this video, I'm going to cover how to divide a fraction by a fraction. I will walk you through the process for a better understanding. I will tackle dividing fractions one by one. Fractions in whole numbers, mixed numbers, improper fractions, and how to use cross cancellations. It will be done in different videos per topic and we'll go through a bunch of examples. So feel free to jump around and check the description for the links. Let us start by looking at dividing fractions by fractions. Now, when working with fractions and divisions, we need to remember 3 steps. Keep, switch, flip. We can also think multiply by the reciprocal. When we flip a fraction, that is called a reciprocal. This means we are going to use multiplication to solve this. This makes the process simpler. Now, how and why this works is a topic for another video. That is something I will cover later. Let us jump to number 1. We have 3/4 divided by 1/7. So, we see how many 1/7 we can make out of 3/4, or how many 1/7 are in 3/4, so to speak. So let us start by rewriting this problem using keep, switch, flip. So we always keep the first fraction or number. So we keep 3/4 as is. We switch to the opposite or inverse of division, which is multiplication. And since we switched to the opposite or inverse of division, we were going to flip the second fraction. The 7 is going to be our numerator and the 1 is going to be our denominator. So we end up with 7/1. Once we get to this point, it's a multiplying fractions problem. So we can multiply straight across. 3 times 7 is 21. And then 4 times 1 is 4. And we end up with 21/4. Now that is an improper fraction. So we do not want to leave it. We need to divide our numerator of 21 by 4. How many whole groups of 4 are in 21? Well, 5. That gives us to 20. So, 5 whole groups of 4, that is our whole number of the mixed number here. Now, it does not hit 21 exactly. We have a remainder of 1, so that is our numerator and our fractional part of the mixed number. And we keep our denominator of 4 the same. Always look to see if you can simplify the fractional part of the mixed number. 1/4 is in simplest form. So, we are done. 5 and 1/4 is our answer for number 1. So, 3/4 divided by 1/7 is equals to 5 and 1/4. Let us move on the number 2. We have here 2/3 divided by 2/5. Keep, switch, flip. So, keep 2/3 here, switch the multiplication, and then flip the second fraction, so 5/2. And now we can multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 2 is 6. So we get 10/6. So, that's an improper fraction. We need it to convert to a mixed number. So, 10 divided by 6. How many whole groups of 6 out of 10? Well, 1. And we get a remainder of 4. keep our denominator of 6 the same. We can simplify 4 and 6. We have a common factor of 2. So, let us divide each of these by 2 here. And we get 1 and 2/3. So, our answer for number 2 is 1 and 2/3. 2/3 divided by 2/5 is equals to 1 and 2/3. So, there you have it. That's how you divide a fraction by a fraction. I hope that helps. Listen and learn, learners. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!